In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an invoice or a receipt for your Dropbox billing. Whether you're managing an individual account or a team business account, these steps will make accessing your billing documents straightforward. Let's start with individual or personal accounts. First, you'll need to sign in to your Dropbox account on Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your avatar, which might be your profile picture or simply your initials. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. The menu will then lead you to a variety of options, and the section you'll want to navigate to is Billing. It's here where you can find all the details about your billing history. Now, in the Billing section, you'll be viewing a list of your past transactions. Scroll through this list to find the specific transaction for which you'd like to download an invoice or receipt. Once you identify the transaction, you'll typically see two options: Invoice and Receipt. Clicking on Invoice will present you with the full detailed invoice, while selecting Receipt gives you the receipt of that transaction. You'll then have the option to either print this document, which can also be saved as a PDF, or there might be a straightforward download option available for you. For those of you managing team or business accounts, such as the standard, business, or advanced plans, the process is just a bit different, but equally simple. As an admin, you would start by signing in with your admin credentials at Dropbox.com. Look over to the left sidebar of your screen where you'll click on the Admin Console. From there, navigate to Billing, a pivotal section for all things related to your account's financial transactions. Within the Billing section, you may notice options for billing information or billing history. These areas are where you'll find the list of all your company's transactions. Once you've found the transaction in question, a three-dot menu, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu, should appear next to it. Clicking this menu will give you an option to select either invoice or receipt. Just like with individual accounts, you're given the flexibility to print or download this document for your records, ensuring you maintain a clear and organized financial trail. This process empowers you to easily handle your Dropbox billing documents, keeping you organized whether you're working solo or managing a team. So, next time you need to find an invoice or receipt from Dropbox, you can confidently retrieve it using these straightforward steps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.